Halo semuanya, selamat datang kembali di channel Josu. Pada video kali ini kita akan belajar tentang beberapa kosakata yang berhubungan dengan profesi seseorang atau pekerjaan seseorang. Sebelum kita mulai, mari kita lihat apa sih yang harus kita tanyakan kepada orang lain ketika kita bertanya tentang profesi mereka atau profesi orang-orang terdekat dari mereka. Di sini ada table, kemudian di situ tertulis what does your father do? Dan how about you, Dayu? What does your father do? Pertanyaannya sama dan jawabannya adalah my father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice. Ayah saya adalah seorang petani, dia menanam dan menumbuhkan padi. Yang kedua, he is a teacher. He teaches mathematics in junior high school. Dia adalah seorang guru, dia mengajar matematika di sekolah SMP. Jadi kalian bisa menggunakan pertanyaan ini untuk bertanya kepada orang lain. What does your father do? Atau what does your mother do? Kalau orang lain yang kalian tanyai, kalian bisa mengatakan what do you do? Let's talk about jobs and occupations. Mari kita berbicara tentang pekerjaan. Dan di video kali ini saya akan membagi beberapa kosakata tentang pekerjaan seseorang dan contoh kalimatnya. Contoh kalimatnya lebih mengarah kepada apa sih yang mereka lakukan berkenaan dengan pekerjaan mereka. Langsung saja mari kita mulai. Actor. Actor. Leo is an actor. He plays some characters in a movie. Architect. Architect. Bacanya dibaca ki ya, architect. Edo is an architect. He designs many beautiful buildings. Designer. Designer. Mr. Rasha is a web designer. He is good at designing websites for his clients. Newspaper editor. Newspaper editor. Mr. Budi is a newspaper editor. He decides which articles to publish. Musician. Musician. Rico is a musician. He can play some music instruments well. Painter. Painter. Andy is a painter. He can draw or paint something easily and perfectly. Photographer. Photographer. Uncle Bruno is a photographer. He takes pictures of any moments. Writer. Writer. Rina is a writer. She writes many novels and short stories. Accountant. Accountant. Miss Mutia is an accountant. She audits financial documents and procedures, reconciles bank statements, and calculates tax payments and returns. Salesperson. Salesperson. Leo is a salesperson. He serves and helps customers who want to buy things. Scientist. Scientist. Mr. John is a scientist. He plans and carries out experiments in a laboratory. Teacher. Teacher. Miss Hannah is a teacher. She teaches biology in my school. Baker. Baker. Miko is a baker. He makes many kinds of bread and sells them in a bakery. Butcher. Butcher. Mr. Eko is a butcher. He cut and trim meat into certain shapes and portions. Chef. Chef. Mr. Ron is a chef. He supervises kitchen staff to ensure the kitchen runs effectively. Cook. Cook. Dodi is a cook. He can cook many delicious food from many different countries. Farmer. Farmer. My father is a farmer. He plants and grows rice. Fisherman. Fisherman. Mr. Theo is a fisherman. He always sails to catch fish. Dentist. Dentist. Mr. Kevin is a dentist. He diagnoses and treats dental issues. Doctor. Doctor. Mr. Leo is a doctor. He examines patients, reviews their medical history, diagnoses illness or injuries, administers treatment on patients' health. Nurse. Nurse. Rina is a nurse. She helps doctor look after the sick or injured. Midwife. Midwife. Siti is a midwife. She helps women to get birth. Optician. Optician. Mr. Eko is an optician. He helps customers with fitting glasses or contact lenses. Surgeon. Surgeon. Mr. Ron is a surgeon. He performs surgery to his patients who get serious injury or disease inside their body. Waiter. Waiter atau waitress. Waitress. Waiter itu untuk pelayan laki-laki dan waitress itu untuk pelayan perempuan. Rio is a waiter. He takes orders and serves food and beverages to guests. Electrician. Mr. Budi is an electrician. He is responsible for inspecting, testing, repairing, installing, and modifying electrical components and systems. Student. Student. Edo and I are a student. We like to study new things. Secretary. Secretary. Miss Eka is a secretary. She handles office schedules, coordinates meetings and visits, organizes files, answers phones, and performs a huge array of other essential tasks. Soldier. Soldier. Leo is a soldier. He works to protect our country. Repairman. Repairman. Miko is a repairman. He repairs broken things easily. Mechanic. Mechanic. Edo is a mechanic. He repairs cars or motorbikes. Reporter. Reporter. Susie is a reporter. She reports news for TV program. Construction worker. Construction worker. Miko is a construction worker. He works to build a house or other buildings. Police officer. Police officer. Mr. Ivan is a police officer. He maintains law and order and protects public from any criminal acts. Postman. Postman. Mr. Kevin is a postman. He delivers mail every day. Pilot. Pilot. Mr. Andy is a pilot. He operates aircraft to transport people and freight cargo to different destinations. Magician. Magician. Mr. Roy is a magician. He performs magic tricks to entertain people. Lifeguard. Lifeguard. Rico is a lifeguard. He makes sure people are safe in swimming pool or at beach. Fireman. Fireman atau firefighter. Firefighter. My father is a fireman. He works to put out fire in fire accident. Gardener. Gardener. Siti is a gardener. She plants many flowers and trees. Forest ranger. Forest ranger. Mr. John is a forest ranger. He does patrol in a jungle and make friends with wild animals and nature. Wow. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. They are a flight attendant. They serve customers on a plane. Engineer. Engineer. Mr. Hero is an engineer. He works to solve technical problems. Carpenter. Carpenter. Raja is a carpenter. He makes things like souvenirs and furniture from woods. Cameraman. Cameraman. Budi is a cameraman. He records moments with his camera. Journalist. Journalist. Nina is a journalist. She gathers information, writes and presents news on social medias. Housewife. Housewife. My mom is a housewife. She takes a good care of us and our house. I love her so much. Diver. Diver. My brother is a diver. He usually dives deep into the ocean to record underwater live. Singer. Singer. Rico is a singer. Her voice is beautiful. She sings to entertain people. Cashier. Cashier. Mia and Joe are a cashier. They manage transactions in a shop. Driver. Driver. He picks up passengers and takes them to the destination. Lecturer. Lecturer. Mr. Victor is a lecturer. He teaches in a university. Security officer. Security officer. Mr. Kyle is a security officer in my office. He stays up all night to secure our office from any dangers and thieves. Food seller. Food seller. Uncle Mutu is a food seller. He sells traditional food like gado-gado and satay. Babysitter. Babysitter. Gia is a babysitter. She takes care of many children. Gamer. Gamer. Rico is a professional gamer. He plays for our national team. Veterinarian. Veterinarian atau disebutnya adalah vet. Miss Ria is a veterinarian. She heals sick animals and look after them. YouTuber. YouTuber. Agus is a YouTuber. He makes interesting videos and uploads them on YouTube. Director. Director. Mr. Kia is a director in the movie maker. He gives directions to the actors to perform perfectly. Sport player. Sport player. Sport di sini kita ganti dengan jenis olahraganya. Contohnya mungkin badminton player, football player, basketball player, atau yang lainnya. Hero is a basketball player. He plays for our school and some other. Zoologist. Dengarkan baik-baik, cara bacanya adalah zoologist. Miss Reni is a zoologist. She studies a lot about animals. Now she knows everything about them. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Lala is a pharmacist. She works in a drugstore. Linguist. Linguist. Mika is a linguist. She speaks 10 languages. She works as a translator and travels many countries. Historian. Historian. Mrs. Gwen is a historian. She tells people about history. Librarian. Librarian. Mrs. Murthy is a librarian. She helps people in a library. Cattleman. Cattleman atau breeder. Breeder. Mr. Rico is a cattleman. He has many cows in his farm. Lawyer. Lawyer. Mr. Budi is a lawyer. He defends people in court and gives legal advice. Judge. Judge. Mr. Martin is a judge. He decides cases in a law court. Oke teman-teman, itulah beberapa kosakata tentang pekerjaan seseorang. Mungkin ada yang belum saya lampirkan di sini. Kalian bisa tulis tambahan profesi yang kalian temukan atau kalian tahu di kolom komentar, supaya teman-teman yang lain yang melihat video ini bisa mengetahuinya dan menambah kosakata buat mereka dalam berbahasa Inggris. Oh iya, jangan lupa kalian untuk mengulangi beberapa kalimat yang saya sebutkan di sini dan pelajari kata kerja yang digunakannya di sini. Di situ juga sudah saya berikan terjemahannya, oke? Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.